Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you on how to secure this Bosun chair. But before that, we'll take a look for our voyage. Let's go! Okay guys, now let's continue on how to secure this Bosun chair. For securing this Bosun chair, first you have to pass this end of the rope to the eye of the Bosun chair, and then you have to turn it twice like this. Turn twice and lock. And then now you can see that it was already locked. So the next step, we will secure the end as a bowline. We have two kind of bowline to make. First, make like this. Is like this. Alright, this is the bowline, the first bowline. And now we will do it the second bowline. So make the rope like this, 0, then put inside, and then pass the end and heave up the other side, and that is also a bowline. Alright, you see, it's a bowline. It's the same thing, bowline. Now the next step, how to pass this rope inside the Bosun chair. If we are working from the top, we need to slack the Bosun chair until you reach the bottom. On how to pass this guys, simply do it like this. Get the other end of the rope. You can see the other end, pass on the center of the Bosun chair. You can see, do it like this. Then on the bottom, pass and bring it back. And now this is the result guys. You can see. So this one will automatically lock. Even if you have weight, it will lock. You are secured. And now we have to try to sit on the chair. We will try to slack from the top. Now guys, we will try to slack going down. Just simply push the other end of the rope and do it like this. And that's how it's simply using the Bosun chair. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you learned something about Bosun chair. Please give me a thumbs up for my video, and don't forget to click that button below and notification bell for my next video. Next vlog on how to secure the Bosun stage or gondola. Thank you for watching guys. Keep safe everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.